Happy weekend, everyone. It is July 26th, Sunday at 9:47 a.m. And I just happened to notice that Canadian dollar, Japanese yen on Friday evening recently confirmed on the 4-hour to the downside. So that's usually an indicator that there might be a possible entry for me, at least using the system that I've been using, and seems to be, we'll see. Anyway, what I like to do is go back in time a few days and then run the replay. So I get to actually watch the chart develop and see how things are moving along and formulate some sort of framework, plan of attack, and see where I think it might be going. If I just look at a static chart, a lot of times I misread things or I think it's going in the wrong direction, but I like to watch it move. It's like the ocean, the waves, and it's constantly flowing, and I just see it better when it's moving. And when you're at the pace of real life as it's going up and down, that movement is not there. I don't see it. So let's take a look at the weekly. You can see here we are on a downtrend. I like to look at the pattern. We have a bit of a 1, 2, perhaps it's on its way down. It might be coming still up and test this liquidity area here. This is the monthly right here. That's the monthly. Let's see if this works. This here is the monthly trend line. So we'll see how that goes, and that's also going up. So here we have the daily. You can see we are trending up. We are above the trend line right there, and we take a look at our wave pattern. We're down, up, down. Perhaps we are still on the way up. So on the weekly we are up. On the monthly we are not. On the daily we are up. On the weekly we are still confirmed to the downside. However, the candle is above that value. So on the 4-hour, we are currently trending above the trend line here. We are trading above it, and that's it. Let's get some movement going so I can speed up this video. I don't want you guys to get bored. Set up the entry for this coming week, early this week. I think I may take a position. So we came up here, we're testing this fair market value line here. We had a bit of a rejection off of there. We're still on the upside. This might be would have possibly been a good entry point if you were thinking of going long, because we are still long, and I think it would at this point still be going long. I think I remember it actually does go long, but I don't want to use framework that I think happened in putting that into my reads. Just trying to read blind for everything. You can see we went up here. Let me open up the daily here a little more so we can see it, what's going on. We don't need this as much. Okay. So we did go up. We formed a new consolidation box here, expansion line, fair market value line. I use those interchangeably. We came up, down, probably back up. This is still on the uptrend, so it may climb higher. Well, it's going to test this value right down here. Reject. Oh, no, it's going further. Is it going to reject off of these? Yeah, this fair market value, it's low. That might have been a good entry point there also, because we're still up. Oh, we got the warning, so maybe I wouldn't have been in. And there it goes. It heads down. Okay. 4-hour. Oh, this thing's skipping ahead real fast. When it does this, I worry that my audio is getting choppy. And I have to redo it. My computer is slow. I need to get a new one if I'm going to be doing more videos. What are you going to do? So we have here this fair market value line, which the price is still playing off of right now here on the daily. We're skidding along above the fair market value line here on the 4-hour. Are we going to get rejection off of this institutional level right there? We are on a slow uptrend. We are on the uptrend, but we are teasing the line here on fair market value. Sorry, the trend line and fair market value. Well, we are above it here. We're going up. We are on an uptrend still. We're trending up. It goes up. I believe it goes up and takes out this line here. Which, I mean, that would have been a good entry but this is new. My technique and theory that I've been doing is new, and it's kind of working a bit. That's why I'm documenting it. I want to make sure that what I'm doing actually does stuff and works. We're still 2 days away from where live is. So we got a warning blip that we might be going to the downside. I have rejection points off of here. We got a fair market value there. It is trading below this area here. We have a new confirmation of a downed trend, and this is where we are live right now. So this is as of Friday evening. I'll turn off replay so you can tell. So this is where we are. We have a fair market value line right here that this may be drawn to as it goes up. I would be looking to take an entry if I do, probably around this point. If it pulls back, then I will put in like a stop sell, and it'll pick up as it goes down. I'm hoping this thing will come down to maybe here as it tests this value down there on the up. Ultimately, like I said, this is on the upside. This just confirmed up on the weekly. So I think it's ultimately more so going up. The better buy is up. So I think what we're looking at is a little retracement down here, maybe some interaction off of this line or this line, and then possibly doing this or coming down and then coming back up and doing that. That's what I think might be happening with this, as it may come down and test this institutional level, which is right around this area here, which as I said, it may even come down and test this institutional level. That would be a nice profit there. So that's what I'm looking at for this early coming week on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Hope it works out. I hope I start to get some views. And again, this is not advice. I'm just starting, and this is documenting the process. So follow along, and maybe the process will work out. Maybe it won't. And we all learn something. Maybe. All right, everyone. Good luck. Good luck this week, and God bless you all.